Allie's demonstrating a knee flexion stretch, and we're going to use a low box. Obviously, she's got pretty good knee range of motion, so even if this box is too high for you, you can grab a lower one, or you can use a chair or a bench. The whole idea is you can just use your body weight to push that knee forward and force it into more flexion. If you have a heating pad at home, it would be a great idea to wrap that knee up and heat it for 10 to 15 minutes before you come. If your heel comes up, which indicates a little bit of limited ankle range of motion, along with the knee, you can work on that as well by trying to stretch that calf and keep the heel down on the box. But the primary focus is the knee because that's probably your major limiting factor at this point. You can rock back and forth into it, get that knee loosened up a little bit, but the objective would be to push into that furthest range of motion that you have and hold it there, leaning into it for a good solid 2 minutes and just kind of keep the same amount of pressure on there. You can actually take a kettlebell and set on top as well to help you, or like Allie's going to do here, you can grab a band and use that to pull yourself into it so you don't have to lean it as far forward and put a ton of pressure on it that way. But it might be a little painful. Don't push it to the point of causing more inflammation in the knee. And as always, you'll probably want to ice that knee when you get home to reduce inflammation.